Hello. Yes, friends, I am again with you, your graphologist, Harmohan Singh Batra. Now, as discussed or committed with you in my last video, today I am taking first chapter as per our record is represented by water, which represents opportunity of all types. Symbol is Wavery symbol. Missing of this element will directly hamper the opportunity, and body energy will create short-tempered nature unnecessarily. Aggressiveness, which will also spoil the thought process. Now, water element keeps body and mind cool. It also opens the opportunity in life, which is must to grow in life. Alphabets representing water element. This is as per our studies. I cannot say anything about those who have made their different wrongly. These alphabets, he will also be suffering in opportunity. Now in these alphabets, A represents self, as well as J self, but S represents sympathy. So any fault in A, small or capital, person is suffering because of self mistake. Now in case of J, either he is squeezing opponent, or if he is able to handle properly surrounding and opponent people, he will be getting better chance to grow in our opportunity. This is when S is written wrongly. People will show sympathy but for their own benefit, not for our benefit. That is why these all three alphabets should be written correctly to get full benefit of water opportunity. Water, that is opportunity in life. So it is always better that we should carefully write these alphabets in practice to avoid a wrong way of writing this alphabet. Now we will be also discussing about 5 element. If your mobile number is not properly synchronized, that is elements of mobile number is not properly synchronized with your body elements, you may get negative results because of element absent in your mobile number. So in case of absent of number 1, that is water element, that is opportunity, we can place this symbol at the right place, that we will be discussing in a later course. So that will enhance our coolness of mind and body and better benefit of water element, that is opportunity, and better encashment of ability. Now in case of all these things, many times it is seen that requirement gets fulfilled. So many people are happy that, "Arey forget yaar, my requirement is getting fulfilled, why should I bother?" But they have not considered their opportunity encashment. So that is the a basic aim. That is our basic aim, that person should get encashment of his ability, not the requirement. But many people are stopping at requirement only. So with this, it is encashment of opportunity, which is always better than the requirement. So these all basic theories are there, which we will be connecting in due course along with graphology. And now in our next session on unit and tense written together, as we have completed one topic of writing anything only at unit level. Now we will be taking writing unit and tense, two things at a time. In this, there are 20 plus signatures which we will be discussing side by side. And if any query is there, you can directly comment and it will be answered. Thank you.